Hello dear children, good morning. Today we are going to learn choose the correct answers and true or false of your lesson 5, the plateau and desert regions. So all of you open your worksheets, children. Open lesson 5, the plateau and desert regions. In our previous class you have learned hard words and fill in the blanks, right? And in today's class you are going to learn choose the correct answers and true or false. See the first one. This river divides the southern plateau into central highlands and Deccan plateau. So, which river divides the southern plateau into central highlands and Deccan plateau, children? See, is it option A Ganga, option B Kaveri, option C Narmada, option D Tapi? Option C Narmada. Narmada river divides the southern plateau into central highlands and Deccan plateau. So, river Narmada is the correct option. See, it is the correct one. See the second one. This plateau is not a part of the southern plateau. So, which plateau is not a part of the southern plateau? Is it Chota Nagpur Plateau, B Deccan Plateau, C Malwa Plateau, D Tibetan Plateau? So the option is D bit. Tibetan Plateau is not a part of the southern plateau. Third one. The eastern and western Ghats meet at these hills. So at which hills the eastern and western Ghats meets, children? C. Is it A. Cardamom Hills, B. Shatmala Hills, C. Rajmahal Hills, and D. Nilgiri Hills? So, option D. Nilgiri Hills is the correct one. The eastern and western Ghats meet at the Nilgiri Hills. See the fourth one. It is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert. So, which is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert, children? Is it option A Satluj? Is it B Luni? Is it C Yamuna? And is it D Kosi? B Luni. Luni is a seasonal river of the Great Indian Desert. So option B is the correct one, children. Okay. See the fifth one. The Indira Gandhi Canal gets its water supply from this river. So from which river the Indira Gandhi Canal gets water supply from? C. Is it option A Indus, B Satluj, C Yamuna, D Brahmaputra? So option B Satluj. It gets water supply. Indira Gandhi Canal gets water supply from Satluj. So option B is the correct one. Okay. Now see true or false. See the first one, children. Nilgiri is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. Is it true or false? Yes, this statement is true. Nilgiri is the highest peak in the Western Ghats. Second one. Rajmahal Hills are a part of the Deccan Plateau. Is Rajmahal Hills a part of the Deccan Plateau? No, this statement is false. Third one. Dust storms in deserts can move sand from one place to another. Is dust storms in deserts can move sand from one place to another? Yes, these dust storms can move sand from one place to another in desert regions. This statement is true. See the fourth one. An oasis is a large water body found in deserts that is formed by rainwater. No, this is not formed by, this oasis is a large water body. We can find it in deserts, in underground parts. Okay, so this statement is false. See the fifth one. The Deccan Plateau and the Central Highlands have red soil. So, is the Deccan Plateau and the Central Highlands have red soil? Is this statement true? Yes, this statement is true. Okay, children, once go through these, choose the correct answers and true or false video 3 times and note down in your homework books this choose the correct answers and true or false 2 times each. Okay, bye children, thank you.